Did you know your immigration attorney could make or break your EB5 journey? Here's why an experienced immigration attorney is absolutely crucial for your success. Hi, I'm Rashika from Quantum Global. If you're navigating the EB5 process, you might be wondering, do I really need an immigration attorney? Couldn't I just do it myself? Well, trust me, an attorney isn't just an added expense. It's a necessary investment, and here's why. I have worked with a lot of families looking to secure their green card via the EB5 program, and I have seen it firsthand what happens when people do not work with the right legal support. Experienced immigration attorneys are essential because they have the knowledge to help you avoid costly mistakes and navigate complex regulations. So, what are some of the challenges that they handle and you might not even realize? Firstly, proving your source of investment funds. This is tricky, and an attorney will ensure you present your finances in a way that complies with the US immigration requirements. Secondly, all the documentations and filings that go into the process. Attorneys handle that, making sure your paperwork is pristine and avoids delays. Missing just one detail could set you back by months or even years. But here's something that a lot of investors overlook: conflict of interest. Be cautious if your immigration attorney is inclined to support a specific regional center or has financial incentive to a certain project. Attorneys should never recommend projects to you. It's against the law. They are supposed to provide unbiased and independent advice. If your attorney is pushing a particular project, it's worth questioning why. In simple terms, you want an attorney who's on your side, not one who is inclined towards a project that might benefit them more than you. They should be working with your best interests in mind, not trying to sell you something. If you're not sure how to find the right immigration attorney or need help understanding how they can guide you through this process, let's talk. I'm here to help you avoid common pitfalls and ensure your EB5 journey is as smooth and secure as possible. Thank you for watching. Remember, a good immigration attorney is your partner in this process, not a middleman for a project. Don't risk your future by skipping this critical step.